Hi, welcome to the beautiful Port of Málaga, one of the top cruise destinations in Spain. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a frequent traveler, the port offers fantastic facilities, easy access to the city, and a stunning location. Welcome to Patsy Travels. The port is located just 500 meters from Malaga's historic city center, meaning you can easily reach famous landmarks like the Catedral de Málaga, the Centre Pompidou Malaga, or the Picasso Museum with a 10 to 15-minute walk. This makes the port an ideal starting point for exploring the city on foot. The Port of Málaga has 3 terminals, each fully equipped to handle both large and small cruise ships. It's a modern port with excellent services, including restaurants and shopping areas nearby. If you're into luxury yachts, you'll be delighted to see some of the stunning vessels often docked here, adding to the charm of the port. Once you're at the port, take a leisurely walk along the waterfront, or visit the La Malagueta Beach, just a short distance away. The port is perfectly located for easy access to Malaga's shops, cafes, and restaurants, so there's no shortage of things to do. If you're planning a cruise stop in Málaga, you're in for a treat. With its perfect location, modern facilities, and proximity to the city's best sights, the Port of Málaga is an excellent place to start your exploration. Don't forget to check out my other videos on Málaga and cruise travel tips. See you in my next video. Thanks!